Welcome again in digital classes, and I hope you are enjoying these classes. Today we shall learn about the more terms of fractions and important term how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. This is a major topic for all the classes, okay, in programming. But before teaching this topic, we, we have need to recall the previous topic, what we studied in previous video about the fraction and their types. I have told you the definition of fraction and their types. In types, proper, improper, mixed fraction, like, unlike, and unit fractions. Okay, and how to convert improper into mixed, and how to convert mixed into improper. Now, next topic: how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. This is very important because using this term, we can understand the upcoming topics related to the comparison of fraction, how to write the fraction in ascending order and descending order, and also addition and subtraction of fraction. So before the teaching this topic, okay, I would like to recall all the things related to fraction. What is the definition of fraction? A part of, after that, definition of improper with example, proper with example, and mixed fraction. Like fraction having 1 as a numerator, and like fraction means they have same denominators. Okay, like fraction means they have same denominator, and like fraction means they have different denominators. So now in this video we shall learn about the unlike to like, means how to convert different denominator in same denominator, different denominator to same denominator. For an example, suppose that 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 3. These are two fractions and these fractions having different denominator. So how to convert different denominators? So these are the unlike fraction. So how to convert in like fraction, and which step we have followed, then we can easily convert in like fraction. This step number first. For making same denominator, for making same denominator, we have find the LCM of denominator. बेटा ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज आती है कि जब भी किसी भी अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन को हमें लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम मींस लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. एलसीएम आपको मैंने पहले बताया गया, फिर भी आपको बताऊंगा. वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट एलसीएम बाय टू मेथड: प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, एंड सेकंड आपका जो आता है वो होता है कंबाइंड डिवीजन मेथड. और मोस्टली स्टूडेंट इस मेथड का यूज करते हैं, कंबाइंड डिवीजन मेथड का यूज करते हैं. देखो, so here we are making the same denominator, means we convert in like fraction. So first what we do, we have find out the LCM. So here we write LCM of 5 and 3 कितना होता है? आप देखिए एग्जांपल में आपने फॉलो करके बताता हूँ. यूजिंग द कंबाइंड डिवीजन मेथड 5 and 3. So in combined division method we have used the prime number. Okay, only we have used the prime number for as a divisor. So now we will divide first smallest prime number according to numbers. So 3 is here. So by 3 we can get 1, and After that we have to divide by 5, so 100. Means our division is completed. Now find the product. 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Enough? Now 3 upon 5. We are making the same denominator. So सेम डिनोमिनेटर आपको यहाँ पे 5 की जगह कितना करना है 15 और 3 की जगह भी कितना करना है 15 करना है. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? So by this number we have multiplied, so it become 15, and this number is again by this number we have multiplied, so it become 15. This is the basic concept. So right here we are converting 5 as 15. So by this number we have multiplied 3 3 is 9, because both sides we have need to multiply, that balance is remains सेम. ओके, बैलेंस बना रहे उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? सेम टर्म को न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. आपने यदि डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई किया, न्यूमरेटर नहीं किया, इसमें से और टर्म इज रॉन्ग. ओके, सो सेम नंबर ताकि टर्म में कोई चेंजेस ना आए. ओके, फॉर नेक्स्ट 4 upon 3. By this number we have multiplied, then we get LCM 15. So that number is equal to 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Okay, and this is called, then we can say 9 upon 15 and 20 upon 15 are like fractions. Like fractions. In this way you can convert any unlike fraction in like fraction using this method, and this is the basic and simple method. I hope you are getting my points. Now we are comparing the fractions. Okay, so note down these things and try to solve another numbers. For an example, you can solve these numbers, otherwise you can make the same denominator of these fractions. 2 upon 9, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8, 3 upon 5, and 4 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 2. So these are the basic examples for you. Try to solve, try to make the same denominator of these questions. Okay, using this way, find out the denominator, and in this way you can make the same denominator. Okay, right? After that making same denominator, you can write these fractions are like fractions. Okay. Now using this method, in next content we can use this method and find out the solution. Means in comparison we have used this method, for addition subtraction we have used this method. Okay, so this is very important, means how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Now our next topic is how to compare the fraction. How to compare the fraction. Note down these things in your reference notebook and try to solve the related exercise. Okay, topic number 2. Comparing the fraction. Comparing the fraction. Dear student, there are 3 types. First, same denominator. Type second, same numerator. And type third, both are different. Both are different means numerator and different denominators are not equal. Means they all are different. Okay. For an example, denominator same is 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. 5 upon 3. So in these fractions denominators are same. For same numerator, 2 upon 5, 2 upon 7, 2 upon 9. So in these fractions numerators are same, and both are different, means 3 upon 5, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 7. In these fractions numerator and denominators are different. So how to compare such type of fractions? Okay. So one by one I am telling you some rules. Note down these things in your rough and fair notebook and try to understand the concept of comparison of the fraction. First, how to compare the fractions if having same denominators. Okay, dear student, you can write if fractions having same denominator, if fractions having same denominator, then large numerator represent greater fraction. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि यदि किसी जितनी भी फ्रैक्शन आपके पास दे रखी है उनके अंदर डिनोमिनेटर सेम दे रखा आपको, तो जिस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा वो ही क्या होगी, फ्रैक्शन बड़ी होगी। एग्जांपल आप देखिए, इस एग्जांपल की हम बात कर लेते हैं। इस एग्जांपल में आप देखो डिनोमिनेटर सबके क्या है, 1/3, 2/3, 5/3, राइट। डिनोमिनेटर सबके सेम 3, 3, 3। अब इसमें लार्ज कौन सी होगी, आप देखेंगे कि चेक करेंगे किसका लार्ज डिनोमिनेटर है, आप कहेंगे सर लार्ज डिनोमिनेटर इस फ्रैक्शन का है, राइट। तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि 5/3 इज द ग्रेटेस्ट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द गिवन। इनमें से सबसे लार्ज कौन सी होगी, 5/3। फिर उससे एक छोटी, इससे छोटी कौन सी, स्मॉल कौन सी होगी, 2/3, एंड देन 1/3। आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट्स। ओके, so note down this important fact for you. If fractions having same denominators, then large numerator represent greater fraction. Okay. And for next same numerator के लिए आपके पास कॉन्सेप्ट क्या आता है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, if fractions having same numerators, if fractions having same numerators, then small denominator represent greatest fraction। समझे आप इस कॉन्सेप्ट नंबर 2 को, कि ये फ्रैक्शंस हैविंग सेम न्यूमरेटर देन स्मॉल डिनोमिनेटर रिप्रेजेंट ग्रेटेस्ट फ्रैक्शन। एग्जांपल लेके आप देखें तब समझ में आएगा आपके कि 2/5, 2/7, 2/9 in these fractions having same numerator 2, 2, 2, so which fraction is greater, वो फ्रैक्शन ग्रेटर होगी जिसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा, स्मॉल होगा। सो इसमें देखो स्मॉल डिनोमिनेटर किसका है, 5 का है। सो 2/5 is the greatest fraction, 2/5 is the greatest fraction, right? Any problem? No. And for next, both are different, so how can we identify that which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller? So for this we have need to the simplify the terms by LCM method and by cross multiplying method. Here during the comparing the fractions, okay, I am giving you for two fractions, so if two fractions are common, okay, and you have need to compare, so you can use cross multiply method, by cross multiply method, cross multiplication method. For an example, which fraction is greater, 2/3 and 4/5. So here you can see numerator and denominators are different, so you can use here cross multiplication method. Means in this way you can multiply. If a upon b and c upon d, two different fractions are given, so you have to multiply in this way. D to A, B to A means direct 2 into 5 means 10 and 3 into 4 means 12. Okay. Which term is greater? 12 is greater. Okay. So in this way you can find out 12 are less than 10 less than 12. Therefore 2 upon 3 less than 4 upon 5. This is the cross multiplication method. Comparison by cross multiplication method. Right? I hope you are getting my points. Okay. 5 in LHS. Check here. This denominator multiply by the numerator of the LHS part, and this denominator multiply by the LHS or RHS. Okay. Numerator RHS part. अब दो पार्ट बनेंगे LHS और RHS, और इस डायरेक्शन के अंदर आप चलेंगे, ये LHS शो करेगा, ये RHS शो करेगा. इसी वे भी नंबर्स को रखने 5 to 10 and 4 to 12 मीन्स ये टर्म आपकी स्मॉल होगी और ये क्या होगी आपकी ग्रेटर होगी. राइट. एग्जांपल और देखें आप. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 7 upon 9 and 8 upon 11. चेक करें कौन सी को. तो यूजिंग द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई आप क्या करेंगे, 11 into 7, 11 7 is 77 and 9 into 8, 9 8 is 72. Okay, 9 8 is 72 होता है. Now check here. By comparison we get 77 greater than 72. 77 greater than 72. So which fraction is greater here? 7 upon 9 greater than 8 upon 8. So using the cross multiplication method, you can easily compare only two fractions. If more than two fractions come, then how to compare? Okay. Comparison. So how to compare? How to compare the more than two fractions? And here again I am telling you the order also, ascending order and descending order. How to write the fraction in ascending order and descending order and with the comparison. Okay. Yes. First example. 2 upon 3. 4 upon 5, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 5. Okay? 1 upon 6. Using this example, first we shall learn about the ascending order, and after that we shall learn about the descending order. Okay? So I am writing here descending order, but before the writing the ascending order, before the comparison, we have need to change unlike fraction in like fraction. Okay? So for that we have find out here, we find the LCM of 3, 5, 2 and 6. So what we get? We get 3, 5, 2 and 6. By combined using method, you have find out the LCM. First give the divide by 2 because 2 is the smallest prime number. So 3 is not divided, 5 is not, 2 and 2 and 3 times. Okay. Next by 3. 1, 5, 1 and 1. After that 5. So what will we get? LCM is 2 into 3 into 5, 30. So we get 30. 30 is the LCM means here we have need to make same denominator as 30. सबका सब कितना होना चाहिए? 30 होना चाहिए. So direct you can use and you can write here making same denominator. Otherwise you can write converting like fraction. You can write direct, otherwise indirect 1 by 1 term. 2 upon 3 multiply denominator 30 and 1 upon 6 means by 6, by which number 6 is multiplied, then we get 30. So now give the divide 30 by 3 10, 5, 30 divided by 5 6, 30 divided by 2 15, 30 divided by 6 again 6 5. Okay, so same number you have multiplied in numerator 5. Now start multiplying 10 20, 6 4 24, 15 3 45, 5 1 5. So these fractions having now same denominator means all are in like fraction. And dear student, in previous I told you all the denominators are same. All the denominators are same. So how to compare the numbers? Means if the fractions having same denominator, so large numerator represent the greatest fraction. So if you write if you want to write in ascending order, so according to ascending order, you can write first smaller fraction. Okay, smaller fraction means here you can write by comparing numerators by comparing numerator, because denominators are equal. So by comparing numerator, this numerator is smaller here 5, and then this is greater, then 20, then 24, and then 45. Right now, so using by comparing numerators, we will get 5, 20, 24, and 45. So now we can write in ascending order. Therefore, ascending order of fractions. Because हमने स्मॉल से बड़े की तरफ लिखा है, स्मॉल से लार्ज नंबर की तरफ लिखा है ना, तो क्या होता है? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर होता है. Ascending order means numbers they start from small to large. Okay. So ascending order में 5 कैसे आ गया? 1/6. Then first we write 1/6 symbol less than symbol. Then 20 from 2/3. Then next 24 4/5, and next 45 3/2. So that is the solution. How to write? How to compare the fraction? Otherwise, you can say how to write in ascending order. Using this way, you can easily write all the fraction in ascending order. And same way you can use and write in descending order. I am telling the same example. Using this example, and where you will change for descending order, same term you can use for descending order. You have changed for here. Means by comparing numerator, you have just changed the sign. Just change the sign. Here I am writing by comparing numerator for descending order. Okay, by comparing numerators, what we get? 45 is greater than 24 is greater than 24 and 25. And in this way you can write now ascending orders. Therefore, descending order of fractions is 3/2 greater than 4/5 greater than 2/3 and greater than 1/6. So for descending order you have changed this, and for ascending order you change this. Okay, and these are the symbols. This symbol is greater sign and this symbol is smaller sign, less than. Okay, so using this way you have find out all the solution. Okay, and this is a similar topic for all the classes, for class 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Okay, so all this video is very useful for all the classes. So again you can watch the video and find out understand the concept of unlike, how to convert the unlike to like fraction, how to convert the fraction. Okay, thank you for watching.